Yeah, hello all.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Okay.
So in today's session, I will let you know one more real-time scenario,
Mm.
which one of my students who has faced recently in their project.
Mm.
So here, I think most of you may already have faced the issue in your projects because this is the frequent issue which will face in the real-time projects.
Mm.
So now I just would like to tell you what exactly the issue is.
Mm.
So in the next video, I will let you know the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so for now,
Okay.
the issue
Mm.
here is
Mm.
the business has created one sales order, for example, in 2021,
Okay.
and the sales order was
Mm.
created for 80
Mm.
80 rupees.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
and for the same sales order, the delivery was
Mm.
completed. So here, sales order was done in the same
Mm.
way, delivery was
Mm.
also completed.
Mm. Okay.
But till now, the invoice was not created for the customer.
Okay.
So which may be due to some consequences in the company.
Mm.
But now the business decided to create the invoice and to send
Mm.
it to the customer.
Mm.
Okay, so now it is in 2022 and the month is July.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so here in 2022, the
Mm.
company has decided to send the invoice to the customer for the
Mm.
sales order which was created in 2022.
Okay.
So here
Mm.
the base price is same from 2021 to 2022.
Okay.
Okay, but the company would like to add some extra charge
Mm.
for the customers.
Okay.
So this is what maybe the condition type which was not available in 2021 and which was
Mm.
created in 2022.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so now let us take 50 rupees as the extra charge.
Mm.
So here the company would like to send the invoice to the customer by adding 50 rupees as the extra charge.
Mm.
So here what will be the final price?
130.
130.
Mm.
So the sales order got created for 80 rupees,
Mm.
but now the company would like to send the invoice to the
Mm.
customer for 130 rupees.
Mm.
So here, being as a consultant, how you can configure
Mm.
this in SAP?
Okay.
So that is the question.
Mm.
So now let me create one sales order for you.
Mm.
See, this is what is the sales order. I'm going to create now.
Okay. Mm.
So here the material is vaccine 150.
Mm.
Let me check the log once.
Mm.
So here the document is completed.
Mm.
And here the net value is 80 INR, right?
Yeah.
And if we go through the conditions here we can see
Mm.
base price is there and
Mm.
customer material discount is there.
Mm.
Here some output tax is also there.
Mm.
So finally the net value here is 80 rupees.
Yeah.
So now we have saved the sales order.
Mm.
See, the sales order got saved.
Okay.
So now the company is doing the
Mm.
delivery for this sales order.
Okay.
So now let me create the delivery.
Mm.
See, Here the delivery is also got created, right?
Yeah.
So now what is the next process?
Invoice.
Yes. So here we have to create the invoice.
Mm.
So while you are trying to create the invoice, here the net value is 80 rupees only,
80. Yeah.
because which is copied from the sales order,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So here the requirement is to make this net value 130 rupees.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So here, in order to make the net value as 130,
Mm.
so already 80 rupees is there, because this is the
Mm.
base price, and after deduction of the
Okay.
customer discount, it became 80
Mm.
rupees.
Okay.
So now, how the company would like to add another 50 rupees? That's what we have to come to know.
Yeah.
So here the company would like to add
Mm.
50 rupees as the extra charge.
Okay.
This is the extra charge.
Mm.
So this 50 rupees the company would like to charge to this invoice. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So 80 plus 50, which will become
Mm.
130 rupees.
Yeah.
So now let us create one condition type for extra this or this extra freight or extra charges, whatever
Mm.
it may be.
Okay.
So now we are creating one condition type for extra charge, and the condition
Mm.
type value will be 50 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. So now let me
Mm.
create that. So here I am creating
Mm. Mm.
BEXC. Okay. So
Mm.
this is what
Okay.
is the extra charge,
Mm.
and here let me make it as a value scale, because
Mm.
we would like to
Mm.
add some value, right?
Yeah.
So now let me place it into the pricing procedure.
Mm.
You assume here that the sales
Mm.
order was already created in
Mm.
2021, and
Okay.
now we are in 2022. So meanwhile some changes were happened in the company. So
Mm.
here the pricing procedure changes got happened, as well as
Mm.
new condition type was also got created. So these
Mm.
are all the changes which were happened in the company.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to
Okay.
assume that.
Okay.
And see here, base price is there, discount is there,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So now let us add our condition type here.
Okay.
What is this? BEXC.
EX. Okay.
So this is the extra charge.
Mm.
So now let me calculate it on the base price.
Mm.
So what is the next step we have to do? We have to maintain the condition records, right?
Yeah.
So here let me take our material vaccine 150,
Okay.
for which the
Mm.
company would like to add 50 rupees as the
50 rupees.
extra charge.
Mm.
So now I am going to save it.
Okay.
So now what I would like to do is I would like to create the invoice for the previous
Mm.
document.
Okay.
So here if I am going to create the invoice,
Mm.
can we able to add that 50 rupees here? No,
No, we can't add.
we cannot add, right?
Yeah.
But if you create a new sales order now,
Mm.
so can you able to add that 50 rupees here?
Yeah, we can add it.
Yes, exactly.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
So here the requirement is to add that 50
Mm.
rupees in already
Mm.
for the invoice for
Mm.
which the sales order was already got created
Mm.
before the changes were made.
That
So
means
this
you
is
have to create one more sales order.
no, not exactly. Actually, here the
Mm.
requirement is to create the means
Mm.
the same sales order is there for which the delivery was completed, and if
Mm.
EWM is there, then the documents
Mm.
were already sent to EWM system, and many things were
Mm.
happened.
Yeah.
So if you would like to cancel, you have to cancel the entire flow.
Mm. Yeah.
But here the company
Mm.
don't want to cancel that sales order.
Mm.
It's not exactly the requirement.
Mm.
The requirement is the sales order was done, delivery was
Mm.
completed, which were also came into the reports,
Yeah.
and now the requirement is to create the invoice by adding that 50 rupees here in the invoice.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
this is what is only the requirement. So I think you are clear with it.
Yeah, okay.
So I am expecting the solution from your end,
Mm.
and I will wait for some time. So if you cannot able to give the solution, then surely I will post the solution video.
Mm.
So meanwhile, I hope you will try to work on it. So I'm concluding the session for now. Thank you.
Okay. Mm.
And if you are feeling that the videos are really helpful to you to gain some knowledge, please like,
Mm.
subscribe, and also share the content with your friends, which will give the encouragement to me to upload more videos on real-time scenarios.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mm.